English for Everyone. Coursebook, Level 2. Business English. Lesson 9.
I can access my work emails from my home computer. To access. I appear to have lost access to the network again. A network. This new program is very user-friendly. User-friendly. Can you arrange a video conference with the clients in Sydney? A video conference. As a company, we always keep our hardware and apps up to date. Up to date. We have an automated voicemail system. Automated. I must have the wrong address. My email has bounced. An email has bounced. Let's arrange a conference call so we can all catch up. A conference call. My phone is connected to the network, so I can receive emails anytime. Connected to. Most people in the office carry a mobile device with them. A mobile device. Our new website works on computers and mobile devices. A website. Please could you charge the tablet before the meeting? To charge. For most of the day, I have to work online to access the internet and emails. To work online. I work offline when commuting to work because there is no internet on the train. To work offline. I often use social media to look for job vacancies. Social media. Our company always uses the latest software. Software. If you download the app, you'll get updates about new products. To download an app. I automatically back up my documents every 15 minutes. To back up. I'm sorry, I can't hear you properly. You're breaking up. Breaking up. When you create your account, you get a username and password. A username and password.
End of Lesson 9. Thanks for watching.